Imagine a world without stock photos. Chaos. Designers, advertisers, and businesses all left staring at blank screens, unable to complete their projects. The creative industry would come to a standstill with empty advertising boards and incomplete designs everywhere. Thankfully, that's not our reality. Stock photos bring life and color to our projects, making creativity accessible to everyone. Stock photo agencies provide a vast library of images licensed for various uses, from marketing campaigns to personal blogs. But navigating this world requires understanding the rules of stock photo licensing. It's crucial to know what you can and cannot do with these images. Think of it as a rental agreement for images outlining how you can and cannot use them. This ensures that you respect the rights of the photographers and creators. Get it wrong and you risk legal trouble. Misusing images can lead to costly lawsuits and damage to your reputation. Get it right and you unlock a world of visual possibilities. Your projects will shine with the perfect images, legally and ethically sourced. This guide demystifies stock photo licensing, focusing on two common types: royalty-free, RF, and rights-managed, RM. Each has its own set of rules and benefits. We'll explore their nuances, the importance of model and property releases, and the legal implications of improper usage. Understanding these aspects is key to using stock photos effectively. By the end, you'll be well equipped to navigate the exciting, image-filled world of stock photography. You'll have the knowledge to use images confidently and creatively. Royalty-free RF licensing is like buying a house. You make a one-time payment and then it's yours to use as you see fit. You pay once and it's yours to use in various ways. No recurring fees, no monthly bills, no recurring fees, no usage restrictions within the license terms. It's a straightforward deal. Need a photo for your website? RF licensing has you covered. Want to use it on a flyer, then a billboard, then your aunt's birthday card? Go for it. The same image can be used in multiple projects. RF gives you the freedom to use the image multiple times across different platforms without additional costs. It's all about flexibility. However, royalty-free doesn't mean free. You still need to make an initial payment. You still pay a one-time fee for the license. This fee is generally affordable. This fee varies depending on image size, resolution, and the agency's pricing model. Always check these details. Always read the fine print. Some licenses might have specific terms. Some licenses might have limitations, like restrictions on sensitive use or reselling the image as is. Be aware of these, but overall RF offers incredible flexibility and value, especially for frequent image users. It's a cost-effective solution for many needs. Rights-managed RM licensing is like renting a car. You don't own it, but you have the right to use it under specific conditions. You pay for specific usage, duration, location, purpose. Each of these factors influences the cost. Need a photo for a national ad campaign? RM might be the way to go. It ensures your campaign stands out. You define your needs, how long you'll use the image, where it will be displayed, and for what purpose. This flexibility is key. The price reflects this specific usage, offering greater exclusivity. You get what you pay for. RM is ideal for projects requiring unique, high-quality images with controlled usage. It's perfect for high-stakes campaigns. Want to ensure no one else uses the same photo for a similar campaign? RM offers that control. This exclusivity can be crucial. However, this exclusivity comes at a price. It's an investment in your brand's uniqueness. RM licenses are generally more expensive than RF, especially for broad usage rights. The cost can add up quickly. It's a trade-off: tailored usage and potential exclusivity for a premium cost. Weigh your options carefully. Section 4. The significance of model and property releases. Imagine using a photo of someone without their permission. Not ideal, right? That's where model releases come in. These documents grant permission from recognizable individuals featured in a photo for commercial use. Similarly, property releases grant permission for using identifiable private property. Releases protect both you and the image provider. Using an image without proper releases can lead to legal issues, including lawsuits and financial penalties. Always check if an image requires releases before using it. Most stock photo agencies clearly indicate this information. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Section 5. Navigating the legal landscape, avoiding copyright infringement. Copyright protects original works, including photographs. Using an image without permission is copyright infringement, a serious legal offense. Stock photo licensing provides a legal framework for using copyrighted images. Understanding the different license types, their terms and conditions, is crucial to avoid legal pitfalls. Always obtain the appropriate license for your intended use. If unsure, contact the stock photo agency for clarification. Keep records of your licenses and usage rights. This documentation can be invaluable in case of disputes. Remember, ignorance is not a defense. By understanding and respecting copyright laws, you ensure a safe and legally sound creative process.